If your business is not appearing on Apple Maps, there are several reasons why this might be happening. One reason is that your business may not meet certain criteria, such as having a visible sign on the premises. New businesses often take time to appear on Apple Maps, so age could be a factor. Additionally, incomplete or inaccurate information can prevent your business from showing up. To ensure your business is listed, make sure all the information is correct and provide as many details as possible. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Apple Maps through their report and issue functionality, and they will get back to you after a few days to help resolve the problem. To get your business listed on Apple Maps, you will need to start by creating an Apple ID if you don't already have one. You can do this by visiting the Apple Support website. Next, go to Apple Business Connect and click the Get Started button. Then enter your Apple ID. Choose the business type that best describes your company and click Next. Search for your business by name. And if it's not already listed, you can add a new location. If your business is already listed, you will need to verify and claim it. Add your business details, including category, contact information, hours of operation, and other relevant information. Finally, wait for verification from Apple Maps, which you will receive via email if your application is successful. Apple may request additional information to verify your business, but once you've completed these steps, your business should appear on Apple Maps.